NIO just hit a milestone investors shouldn't ignore. The company has now surpassed 150,000 cumulative deliveries in Shanghai, and this is far more than another headline. Shanghai is NIO's home city and one of China's most competitive EV markets, where Tesla, BYD, Li Auto, Xiaomi and XPeng are all fighting for buyers. So when NIO reaches this milestone while also ranking number 1 in Shanghai's passenger vehicle market during the first 5 months of the year, the bigger question becomes clear. Is NIO finally proving its turnaround before the stock catches up? That's why this matters. NIO has spent years stuck in the same trading range while rebuilding its business. But now several catalysts are lining up at once. A major Shanghai milestone, June deliveries above 40,000 vehicles, and a new flagship SUV that's off to an impressive start. If the next delivery report confirms this momentum, investor sentiment could shift much faster than many expect. The Shanghai milestone is more significant than it first appears. NIO has now delivered more than 150,000 vehicles in the city, while cumulative deliveries across China reached roughly 1.189 million by the end of June. That means more than 1 out of every 10 NIO vehicles sold domestically has been delivered in Shanghai. For any automaker, that's impressive. For NIO, it's even more meaningful because Shanghai is one of the country's wealthiest and most competitive markets. Buyers there have almost every premium EV option available, making it one of the toughest places to build lasting brand loyalty. And the rankings make the story even stronger. From January through May, NIO ranked number 1 in Shanghai's overall passenger vehicle market, regardless of fuel type or vehicle segment. That means the company wasn't just leading premium EVs. It was leading the entire passenger vehicle market in one of China's most important cities. That matters because one of the biggest questions surrounding NIO has always been whether its premium brand could survive China's brutal EV price wars. These numbers suggest the answer may be yes. Another major reason investors are paying attention is the new ES9. During its first full delivery month, the flagship SUV delivered 8,595 units, accounting for more than 1/5 of NIO's total June deliveries. That's an exceptionally strong launch for a premium SUV and gives investors confidence that NIO's refreshed product lineup is gaining traction. And this is where the story becomes even more important. Investors are no longer focused only on how many vehicles NIO sells. They are watching what the company sells. Premium SUVs like the ES9 generate stronger pricing, reinforce NIO's premium image, and could help improve profitability over time. If the ES9 continues performing well, it would directly challenge one of the biggest concerns surrounding NIO over the past several years: whether the company could keep growing without sacrificing its premium positioning. June's delivery report added even more momentum. NIO delivered 40,597 vehicles, its strongest monthly performance of the year and a sharp increase compared with last year. However, second quarter deliveries reached 107,658 vehicles, slightly below management's guidance of 110,000 to 115,000. That small miss explains why the stock didn't immediately explode higher. The June performance was excellent, but investors still want proof that this wasn't simply a one-month surge driven by new model launches. That's exactly why July now becomes so important. If deliveries remain near or above 40,000 vehicles, confidence in the turnaround will grow significantly. Investors will begin viewing June as the start of a stronger growth cycle rather than a temporary spike. If deliveries fall sharply instead, skeptics will argue that demand was boosted mainly by launch timing and that NIO still hasn't established consistent momentum. This is what makes the current setup so interesting. Operationally, NIO continues showing signs of improvement, yet the stock still trades as though many investors remain unconvinced. Bulls see a company rebuilding momentum with stronger products and improving demand. Bears see another short-lived recovery that could fade just like previous rallies. The next delivery report could go a long way toward deciding which side gains the upper hand. Before we continue, If you've been following this channel, you know I don't waste your time with hype or guesswork. I focus on research, real insights, and tools that can actually help investors. That's why I've partnered with The Motley Fool, one of the most trusted names in the investing world for over 20 years. You'll find my link in the description. Is the easiest way to check them out and see what they offer. That link also gives you access to special deals or discounts they have available right now. And yes, it helps support the channel too. Now let's get back to the video. The broader strategy also deserves attention. NIO is no longer relying on a single product lineup. Alongside its premium NIO brand, the company is expanding through Anvo for family-oriented buyers and Firefly for more affordable segments. That diversification creates more growth opportunities, but it also increases the importance of execution. Management must prove these brands can grow together while protecting margins and preserving NIO's premium identity. So, is NIO stock about to skyrocket? The answer depends less on what just happened and more on what happens next. The Shanghai Milestone proves NIO still commands significant brand strength in its most important home market. The ES9 shows premium demand remains healthy. June demonstrated the company can deliver more than 40,000 vehicles in a single month. Now investors need confirmation. If July delivers another strong performance, the market may finally begin treating this as a genuine turnaround instead of another temporary rally. Because that's what makes this moment so important. NIO has stronger products, improving delivery momentum, and meaningful proof that customers are still choosing the brand despite intense competition. Yet many investors remain skeptical after years of disappointment. If management continues executing and July confirms that June wasn't a one-time event, this Shanghai Milestone may ultimately be remembered as the moment sentiment around NIO finally began to change. This is it for this video guys, thanks for watching and please make sure to subscribe, like and leave a comment down below.